welcome back. You're watching the Diary of a Dog Walker provided by Crichton Pet Services, and I'm Stephen Crichton. You join us on Wednesday the 29th of March in the morning with my little dogs. For those that are familiar with the channel, you know the morning walk, no big dogs, right? We have 9 dogs out this morning. 9. Do you want to meet them? Do you want to see them? Stay with us. I'm going to show you the dogs and everything that we get up to. Well, the highlights anyway, at least. I'm not going to show you everything we get up to. I'm going to show you the fun parts, the interesting parts, the difficult parts, and the, maybe some of the cute parts and the lovely parts as well of the, of our expedition with these 9 dogs on our morning walk this dreary Wednesday. I hope it's nice where you guys are. I hope you're enjoying being back and seeing the gang. We're certainly happy to see you guys, and we've had some lovely messages from everybody. Thank you to everyone. I'm getting through them all. I'm actually doing a few as I'm walking around filming this just now, but when I just looked at my phone, it says 9+ notifications, so there's more than 10 notifications from YouTube, so that's 10 messages I need to now send back to people, which is great. Lovely. So if you want to be part of that elite crew, join our family, join the just subscribe. That's all you need to do. It doesn't cost you any money, just a little click of the button. I think you can even click on my logo down in one of the corners. I don't know, I'll pop an arrow down to where it is. If you're holding your phone sideways, that should be pretty obvious. My logo is down there, so yeah, do that. Just click. That's one click, that's all we ask. But yeah, enough about me and clicking and all this. Let's hand you over to these guys. Come on in, let's go this way. Together. Good you guys. Oh, you thought I was going to take that. Charlie! Don't you dare roll. Come on. What have I got? Good boy. Yeah, thank you, Alfie. Hey, you too. Good boy. Good boy. Good you guys. Biscuit, can I have that ball? Your brother's got the ball. Oh, you caught the biscuit as well. That's something that doesn't happen very often. Ooh, that has cleared the air. We just had a big fallout with the whole pack there. They're all barking, all going crazy. Hey, thank you. We didn't need a lesson on what barking was, thanks very much. I think it's cleared the air. I think it's settled them down. Elsa! Here you go. Dead. Thank you. Good boy. Boys. Biscuit, if you're causing this trouble, they'll just take it off you. Dead. Dead. Aha. That's enough. No. That's it. Just because you're not getting attention doesn't mean you bark. Hey, sit down. Aha, good girl. Well done, Elsa. That's good. You've done great. No one asked you to move. No one asked you to move. Do you want a biscuit for being good? Good girl. Oh, look at you. Look at you guys. Stop jumping. Good you guys. There you go. Where did you go? Good, you guys. This way. You're quite frenzied. I wonder what that's about. It's definitely not about us. I know, buddy, something up there spooked you, but we're going this way anyway. God, these stairs are steep. Thanks for not pulling me over, Ruby, that's really kind. You're doing it this time though. Good boy, Charlie, did you think? Plenty enrichment down here for you. And it smells like garlic, like no tomorrow. Wow. Busy. You've got a busy day. How's your little one?
He's alright. He's friendly, he's not really
He's probably not had as many at once. Yeah. Get your muddy paws please, you guys. You as well, Ted. Good boy, Barney. Good boy. We've got a busy path this morning. Keep coming, Juno. Busy old path, busy path. Here you go. Wow, this path is busy. We must have passed 20 people in the last 3 or 4 minutes. Runners, cyclists, people with dogs, people running with dogs, litter pickers. Goodness me, you name it. We have engaged with them, but we're nice and clear now. We can just relax a little bit. Who's going up? Up. Up. Good, Ruby. You coming up, buddy? Oh, Juno, sweetie. I hope we caught that on camera. That was pretty funny. Charlie, you coming up? Up. Up. Charlie, you know how to do it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Good, Elsa. Good, Rua. Good girl. Ted. Ted, you going up? Up. Ted. 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 Buddy, up. Yeah, you're a bit funny when it comes to these guys. You don't always play along. You're just happy to be in the back. We're now sandwiched between 2 sets of dogs. So we're just going to go on a stop. Just wait, guys. Thank you. Good. Nice. Good boy. Good, Charlie. Good boy. Good, Ted. Good, Elsa. Thank you. Good. We'll just see which path opens up first for us. Charlie, I need your attention on me, buddy. Yeah, not the dogs. There we go. That's better. Good boy. Good boy. Good, you guys. Good. Good. Okay, we'll go this way. We'll go this way. Easy peasy, Charlie, isn't it? Easy peasy. For a dog like you, a clever puppy like you, yes. I know. And you guys, good Juno. Making sure we're okay. Alright gang, well we're wrapping up for the day. I'm actually got a little bit of a sweat going on. It's got warm and muggy and kind of feels like could be some thunder and lightning later on this afternoon if it stays like this, so that's not going to be good for Max. If you haven't yet seen my video from yesterday, my afternoon walk, I talk a little bit about Max, a little white Cockapoo, who's my longest running dog. He's been with me right from the start and he's stressed, so stressed about sound right now. And yeah, anyway, we'll have a look at that. It's quite an interesting watch. But these guys are wrapped up. The van is just ahead of us. We're just about back at it. We've done about 3k, just under. And yeah, it's a good rate, good work rate, good intensity, good amount of play, good stimulation, good fun, real good fun. I hope this came across in the video. If it has, let me know. If it's not, let me know. I'll see what we can do to improve it next time. Remember to subscribe because you might be watching this without having done that. And we will see you on the next walk if you have. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye.